Okay, so question 1. This is an easy type based probability question. Okay, the probability that Hamid qualifies for the finals of a track event is 2/5, while the probability that Mohan qualifies is 1/3. Find the probability that A. Both of them qualify for the finals, B. Only one of them qualifies for the finals. Okay, now question 1 for A and B has a key difference. And okay, this one you need to pay attention because you might need to apply this to other questions. Now, both of them, only one of them. Okay, both of them means that they want the probability of Mohan and Hamid. Now, any question that has the word both and or something similar, you must use the multiplication method. How this is done, I'll explain to you in a minute. There's just a little bit more you need to know. Okay, if the question asks for only one of them, or either of them, or either one of them, or something like that, so I'll just write this down. Okay, either one, only one, or if it has one of these or something similar, again the same, except this one you must use the addition method. Okay, now I'll explain the first question first. Okay, the probability wants Hamid and Mohan's probability. They want the probability that both of them qualify. Okay, they've already given to you the probability of Hamid that he can qualify and the probability that Mohan can qualify. Now, all you need to do is multiply. So it will look something like this. Okay, 2/5 times 1/3. Why? Is because, like I said, they've given the probability. All you have to do is find the probability that both of them qualify, because they want both of them, the probability that both qualifies for the finals. They don't want one of them, they don't want just Hamid or Mohan, they want both. So basically, the probability that Hamid can qualify and the probability that Mohan can qualify. So you just multiply it, you shall get, according to my calculator, 5 times 1/3, you shall get 2/15. But you have to be careful. The question could ask the probability that Hamid and Mohan can qualify, or the probability that both Hamid and Mohan fail to qualify, meaning that it could be the other way around. But I'll explain that later. There's another question to it. Okay, for B, only one of them qualifies for the finals. Okay, this one is slightly different from the first one, but in a way similar. Okay, so we know that this is the probability that Hamid can qualify, this is the probability that Mohan can qualify. Okay, only one of them qualifies. So this one includes this concept we call the probability that they do not qualify. So basically, this is the probability that Hamid can qualify. The probability that he will not qualify is 3/5. So it's basically just 5 minus 2. You will get 3, but don't forget to put the denominator as well. For Mohan is also the same. 1/3 is the probability he will qualify. The probability he will not qualify is 2/3. Hold on. Put that there first. Now, I'm running this up because the next bit is going to be a bit tricky for you to understand, but try to understand. Now, before you add, you must put the probability that they will qualify, except opposite. So you must include the probability that Hamid will qualify, 2/5, in the same brackets that Mohan will not qualify. And you must put the probability that Mohan will qualify into the brackets that Hamid will fail to qualify. Okay, why is because they want the probability that either one of them qualifies. So basically, if Hamid were to qualify, it means that Mohan fails to qualify. And if Mohan qualifies, it means that Hamid will fail to qualify. So basically, you need to times each. Okay, if it only asks that Mohan qualifies and Hamid does not, then you just need to do 1 over 3 times 3 over 5. And the same can be said for Hamid, 2 over 5 times 2 over 3. Okay, however, the question says only one of them qualifies for the finals, meaning that we don't know if it's Hamid or Mohan. So that's why you have to plus. So we have to do the brackets first. So 3 over 5 times 1 over 3, you get 1 over 5 plus, okay, 2 over 5 times 2 over 3, you will get 4 over 15. So you add that, you should get 7 over 15. So that's the answer for B. Now I'll do this concept again on question 2. Okay, so next question. The probability of Sarah being chosen as a school prefect is 3/5, while the probability of Aini being chosen is 7 over 12. Okay, find the probability that neither of them is chosen as a school prefect, and find the probability that only one of them is chosen as a school prefect. Okay, so this is basically like the first question, except A is a bit different. However, B is just basically the same. So I'll do A first. Okay, so A, the probability that neither of them is chosen as a school prefect. Okay, so basically that it means both, because neither of them, meaning that Aini doesn't get to be a prefect and neither does Sarah. Okay, this is basically the same. However, you need to times the probabilities of both Sarah and Aini that they're not chosen to be a prefect. So let me just explain this. Okay, so the probability that Sarah will not be a prefect is 2/5, so it would be 2 over 5. Okay, the probability of Aini not being chosen as a prefect is 5 over 12. Yes, that's correct. Okay. Okay, so you need to times this. Okay, the reason why is because that both of them are not chosen for the prefects. At least that's what the question wants. Okay, so if it doesn't want that, you need to do the opposite, because if the question were to say that both of them were chosen as a school prefect, then it should just be 3 over 5 times 7 over 12. But the question wants that neither of them is chosen as a school prefect. So this is important. Neither of them is chosen. Okay, so 2 over 5 times 5 over 12 should get 1 over 6. So that's the answer for A. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, for B is basically the same. The probability that one of them is chosen as a school prefect. So basically it's just what we did in the first question. So it is 3 over 5 times 5 over 12 plus 7 over 12 times 2 over 5. Okay, so let's calculate this very quickly. 5 times 12 plus 7 over 12 times 2 over 5. Okay, so you should get 29 over 60. At least that's the simplest form they could give. Okay, so that's the answer. Yes, it is. So that wraps up for the second question. Let's move on to the third one, which will be different from the first two we did. Okay, question number 3. A box contains 20 chocolates, 5 are black chocolate flavor and 15 are white chocolate flavor. 2 chocolates are taken at random from the box. Find the probability that A. Both chocolates are black chocolates, and B. The chocolates taken are of different flavor. Okay, I'm going to pull away from the camera for a minute and give an example. Okay, I'm going to use batteries as examples. So I've got 3 IKEA batteries, which are yellow and silver, and 4 rechargeable batteries. So altogether you have 7 batteries. Okay, now I'm going to put them in a box, just a tiny box, it's fine. So put all these in here and put all these in here. Okay, now if someone were to ask what is the probability that I would pick out 2 batteries and both of them are rechargeable. Okay, now so what's the probability that I would draw both rechargeable batteries? Okay, now for this question is a bit difficult to understand, but hopefully you'll get it. Okay, you pick out one rechargeable battery, just say you are left with 3 stop moving. So you are left with 1, 2, 3 rechargeable batteries left, and you are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batteries left in the box. Okay, my point is that if you take out one of the batteries from the box, you are left with less than what you have. So you're left with 3 rechargeable batteries and you're left with 6 batteries altogether. Now, if the question were to ask what is the probability of picking out one rechargeable battery, then the probability would just be 4 over 7. But it says you have to pick out 2 batteries that is rechargeable. So the question is, what is probability that you are able to draw out 2 batteries from the box which are rechargeable? Okay, so back to the whiteboard. I'm just going to hold the camera. Sorry if it's a bit weird. Okay, so just forget about this question first. So I have 7 batteries, 4 of which are rechargeable. So that's the first part of the sum. Then because it has both, you have to times it by, okay, like I said, you pick up one battery that is rechargeable, you're left with 3 rechargeable batteries left, and since you took out a battery, you are left with 6 batteries left. Okay, because you are left with less, you have to use this 3 over 6, which can also be 1 over 2. But you have to do this. If you put 3 over 7 is wrong, because you are not left with 7 batteries, you are left with 6. And you cannot put 4 over 7 again, is because you already took out 1 battery. So you take out 1 and you take out 1. So it's minus 1, minus 1. Okay, I'll explain it more with this question in a minute. So you just times that and then you'll get your answer. I'm not going to bother calculating because it'll take a lot of time. Okay, 5 are black chocolate flavored and 15 are white chocolate flavored. Whoever made this question should work on their English. Okay, so you take out 1 black chocolate flavored chocolate, you are still left with 15 white chocolates. However, you are left with 19 chocolates altogether. I'll label this as black. Okay, for the whites, you are left with 5 black chocolate flavored chocolates if you took out 1 white chocolate, and you're still left with 19, same as this one. Why? Is because you took out 1 white chocolate or black chocolate from the bag at the start. You're left with 19, so you take away 1. However, this one for white chocolates, you take 1 white chocolate out, you're still left with 5 black chocolates left. Same as this one, you take out 1 black chocolate, you're left with 15 white chocolates left. So this number, the numerator, does not change. The denominator changes because you still picked up one chocolate. So you set to -1 at the bottom either way, because that's the total number of chocolates you have left in the bag. You may be wondering, why didn't I do 15 over 18? Because for black chocolates, 5 over 20. That was before you picked up one chocolate. The reason you times it by 15 over 19 is because this, you still have one more chocolate to pick up. That is why you put 19. If you put 18, that means you already picked up 2 chocolates. That means if you put this whole thing, that means you already picked out, if you put this and it's over 18, it means you're picking out 3 chocolates. But you're not picking out 3 chocolates. The question asks 2 chocolates only. So that's why you have to put 19. Same for this one. 15 over 20 times 5 over 19. That is why when it comes to the addition method, we have to put the brackets first, because we need to calculate the probability for both. Then we add. So calculate that. 5 over 20 times 15 over 19, you get 15 over 76 plus 15 over 76, which I figured out is the same, but anyway, I'll do it anyway. So that times that, no, plus, sorry, you will get 15 over 38. That is your answer for B. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions about the way I teach or how I taught, then you can just write them in the comments below. If you have any other subjects you would like me to help you teach with, then hopefully I'll be able to oblige. So thank you guys for watching, and my teaching method is a bit weird because the first time I taught to a blank space.
But I've got a blank space, baby, and I'll write your name.
So yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to improve, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Signing off.